yet another brand new video. Sorry, I just had to do that little B-roll at the start. It was something that I thought that YouTubers, well, YuGiTubers to be more exact, doesn't really have. It's something that's going to revolutionize the videos, because if you guys know anything about video editing, and if you're seeing YuGiTubers, their videos are pretty simple when it comes to pack opening, so I'm just going to spice mine up a bit. If this is the first time you're watching my video, welcome. This is my first box opening. I don't usually do it because it's too expensive, and also, like Simo usually says, buy singles, not boxes and sealed. Anywho, I'm going to be cracking open a box of Eternity Code, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, I'm just gonna... So what exactly am I looking for in this set? I'm actually looking for Witchcrafter cards and also Madultri cards, because that's the ones that I need for my deck. So we got... Actually, give me 1 second. Alexa, turn on main lights.
Okay.
Boom, hopefully that is a lot brighter. Gonna be a lot easier to see. Right, we got the Battlescaper, Ghost Pirate, AIQ, Generator, okay. Boom. Rainbow Zoo. That's a cute name. I really like that one. Super Samurai. Sorry, I'm butchering names here. I didn't really look into the set much when it comes to what I actually needed, but I'm looking mainly for Xcode Talker and also Evil Eye, and also for any Starlight Rares, just so that I could kind of make my money back, if you will. Ancient Warriors. I really do like the Ancient Warrior archetype. Oh, there's Patronus, so I needed that one. That's nice. That's nice. Deep Sea Century. Barbaros. It's kind of weird when you see that Barbaros was kind of hyped up a bit. Like, people actually thought that... Well, it wasn't like hyped up, but like people thought it was pretty cool, and then nobody plays it. There we go. Proxy F. Deep Sea Minstrel. Pinpoint Dash. Oh, Invoked. Okay. Invoked has taken a bit of a hit lately, but I think it's like a lot of people still play Invoked Shaddolls. It's just less meta relevant. It's still powerful. I still hate the deck. It's annoying. Let's see. Resonator Command. There's a Shark. This is Mecha Machine Metal Crusher. Alright, I think that was for the what was that archetype? The one where you can kind of fuse cards together. The synchro one back in 5Ds. Don't remember. I'm pretty bad at pack opening videos, so if you guys can give like kind of suggestions down in the comment below, that would be great. Goki Iron Claw, Marine Sis. Oh, we got the Water Charmer. Alright, alright. Not Starlight Rare, but I mean, I'll take it. That's our, I think, no, actually, the Machina is the first Super Ultra, so I'm expecting about 2 more or so. Yeah. So usually I don't buy sealed products because, you know, I usually just get the singles, and I'm also broke. But then I saw this, and it was like super. It wasn't like super cheap. It was like 80 bucks Canadian, which is cheaper than what you would usually find. So it's pretty good. Oh, we got this guy, the Ravageous Croc Dragon Archithus. It's a good one. It's a good card. A lot of people play it, but I don't. Ooh, Thunder Dragon. Alright, there we go. But yeah, and then, so it was super cheap, in Canadian dollars, $80. 80 bucks for a, booster box is actually really good here in Canada. Usually you'll find them for like $100 or so it's pretty expensive. Proxy F again, Stairs or Mail. Scripton, I don't remember this card. Oh well. Plunder Patrol. More Plunder Patrols. So what you guys think about, like, I know that I'm late. I'm like actually hella late on this one. Like, Eternity Code, I think it was released last month? Yeah, I think it was like a month ago. I got some other boxes incoming too, so hopefully. Oh, eye contact, AI contact, okay. Parallax Seas, really good. Link Burst. But yeah, so I got, I purchased the, what was it? Oh yeah, the Legendary Duelist Season 1 display box. Hopefully I can do a better job at opening that. So if you guys can give me some advice down in the comment section below, that would be great. God, I am so bad at this. Codebreaker, Red Rain? Huh. I really gotta do research on these cards before I actually do pack openings now. So if the video is, like, a lot of the packs are out of the frame, it's because I am using my phone and it is in close proximity to where my face is, I suppose, so it's kind of hard to see. Right, we got the Ghost Puppet, Codebreaker. I feel like that was pretty cool of a archetype, but it's okay. Oh yeah, we got our first secret. So Uka's really good. It was used for that in that combo to stop people from playing Yu-Gi-Oh, basically. Well, stop them from special summoning. That's what it was. But it was cool. It's cool. It's about $10-12 right now. Megalith, Unchained, Trias, Deep Sea Artisan, Rose Girl. Okay. And then we got Parallax Z's, and Aquarius, XZ. Not even halfway through, and I'm already 7 minutes in. Oh my god. Goki Ironclaw, Crimson Resonate. I have this one back when we had the structure deck. Well, it wasn't like a structure deck, but it was like Nemesis. I really like that archetype. It's really cool. Back when the 5D's starter deck, that's what it was called. Starter decks. That's when it first came out. I got it as a kid, and then I had that. It was gimmicky. It wasn't really gimmicky, but it was like hard to play. There we go. Marine says Thessalima. By now I still like Ancient Warriors. I really want to build the deck. It's really cheap. But anywho, I really do want to finally Unraveling. Yes. That's another card that I needed. So Unraveling, I think I need 2 or 3 copies, but Patronus about 2 copies. So I'm still missing it. And I'm also missing Madolche Salon, and also Madolche what was the other one? The one that negates stuff. I don't remember. I was playing it on EDO Pro last night too. So, Codebreaker, Evil Eye, come on. Oh, Arch Nemesis Proton. Okay. I mean, like, it's not exactly the most expensive card, but it's definitely a really good card. Like, you could splash it in so many engines, especially in tunes. I feel like when you, like, it's not great throwing it into tunes because you do want to grab the cards that you want, but in the later game, whew. Buzzsaw Shark, Thunder Patrol, Goki, Megalith Unformed. Another Rose Girl, okay. Alright, we got another Ancient Warrior, Splash Mage, Magical Hound, Codebreaker, Virus, Sword Guy, I don't know. Straight up, I can't really read that well because it's actually really dark here, so it makes it even harder to see what the cards I'm pulling. Alright, let's see. Come on. Give me something good. Goki Ironclaw, Marine Cess, Missilama, Dark Sea Artisan. Oh, another invoked Argades? Sorry, I'm butchering names. I'm so bad at names right now. Ancient Warrior C, okay. Ancient Warrior, come on. Okay, there we go. Splash Mage, and also Magical Hound. I was actually really excited to open this pack to the point that I actually forgot to do research. I originally planned it out stating that I wanted to do research, make sure I know every card, so then I can actually like do a better job at pack opening, you know. Unchained Twins, Sarama, we got Tiaz, Hiracha, Deep Sea Artisan again, AIQ, another AI Contact, or Eye Contact as some people say, Lantern Shark, Salamangreat. Salamangreat's been doing pretty good lately on like, it's still going. It's been a year or so since the structure deck came out, and it's still a banger. Like, it's still so good. Alright. We're on the other half now, so halfway through. Alright. Super Heavy Samurai Wagon, Unchained Twin, Sarama, Megalith Unformed, Marine Cess, Basilama, and ooh! Gear Suit, the Orcus Mech Knight. That's a $40 card right now. It's kind of dropped heavily because like Orcus kind of died down, but it's still such a good card. So that's definitely half my box's price, I suppose, if I sell it. Pride of the Plunder Patrol, Lantern Shark. We got Blue Bear, the Plunder Patrol Shipwright, and also Flourishing Fruit. Alright. I think I have one more secret left. One more? Maybe, possibly. Come on, Star Light Rare. I just need something to make my money back. Because I am not liquidable. Alright, Deep Sea Minstrel, Pinpoint Dash, Performapal, Turn Trooper. Oh! The Arrival Cyberus at Ignister, the first and I believe the only 6 Link Arrow monster. Beauty. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, we got Magnus Hound, Pride of the Plunder Patrol, Lantern Shark, and also the Blue Bear guy again. Alright, we are down to 5 more packs. So if you guys don't see the face footage, it's probably because it's out of focus. I'm using a pretty cheap camera, so it's not good. Alright, start or mail, Buzzsaw Shark. Oh my god, it's starting to fall down. Necro Prism, Codebreaker 0 Day. Oh, Nemesis Flag. So that's 2 Nemesis cards that I got. Splash Mage, Warren Dragon, Ancient Sea, Ancient Warrior, sorry, and then Codebreaker. Let's see. Boom. Alright. Buzzsaw Shark, Goki the Power Load Ogre, Resonator Command, Codebreaker Virus, Dragon Maid Shio. Alright. She's good. I really like the Dragon Maid archetype, mainly because it's a waifu deck, and also second, because it's just because I love dragons. Dragons are cool. So. Alright, Goki Ironclaw, Crimson Resonator, the Battle Landscaper, Codebreaker. Oh! I didn't even realize that it was a super rare. Malice the Lady of Laminin. I think this one was really used in a bunch of different decks. Nemesis Ardristia, Red Familiar, Parallel Xe, and then Codebreaker Virus again. Alright, down to my last 2 packs. I don't think I'm getting anything good out of these packs. Like, unless it's like something I really do want, like Madolches or Witchcrafter, Proxy F, Magician, Deep Sea Minstrel, the Plunder Patrol, Pinpoint Dash, Burning Draw. I feel like let's see. So this card's always treated as a Salamander card. If your opponent controls more cards than you do, target 1 link monster your opponent controls, draw a card to... it's situational. It's a good card, but it's situational. Like, especially nowadays where Link Monsters isn't played too. I mean, it is played quite often, but it's like not as crazy as it used to be. It's pretty situational. Alright, so last pack here. Oh my god, my table is like just garbage town, literally. There we go. Ancient Warriors. We got Cold Zero Day again. We got Evil Eye. And last but not least, Gachiri at Ignister. Okay. Rainbowze! Super Heavily Samurai and Goki and also Samurai. Salamander. Unfortunately, I did not really get what I really wanted. I did get 2 cards that I really needed, to be honest, but these are like dirt cheap. Like, both Madolche cards and also the Witchcrafter cards that I'm looking for. They're both dirt cheap, like super cheap. So I'll probably pick them up afterwards. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do comment down below what can I change, what can I do better. And also, leave a like if you guys do love the video. And also subscribe. It will definitely help with the YouTube algorithm. And until next time, never stop living.